Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello students. So inverse hyperbolic function is very important topic from exam point of view, and I know that all of you are working very hard to learn this topic thoroughly. So here I welcome all of you in the problem of inverse hyperbolic function, and here we are going to solve it by using the identities of inverse hyperbolic function. So here we have to prove that hyperbolic sec inverse of sin theta is equal to log of cot theta by 2. Now guys, in the previous video we have seen the different identities of inverse hyperbolic function. So here, since we have hyperbolic sec inverse of sin theta, so we do not have any standard property for hyperbolic sec inverse. So what I'll do is, since we do not have the standard property, for time being we'll assume that the value of hyperbolic sec inverse of sin theta is x, and then we'll try to prove that the value of x is log of cot of theta by 2. Now guys, here I've assumed that this value is equal to x. Now to prove that the value of x is log of cot of theta by 2, I will take this hyperbolic sec inverse on the RHS. So that will become sec hx. So now here we know that the value of hyperbolic sec theta is 1 upon hyperbolic cos theta. So the value of hyperbolic sec x will be 1 upon hyperbolic cos x. Now guys, why we are using this formula? The reason is, here we have to prove that the value of x is log of cot of theta by 2. So it means by solving this, I should bring the log term over here. So I'm just trying to bring that log term over here by using the different formulae of hyperbolic function. So now we know that the value of hyperbolic cos x is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x upon 2. But since we have inverse of that, here we'll get 2 upon e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. So guys, here we got the exponential term, and now by solving it we can bring the log term over here. Now the question is how to bring the log term over here. So I will simplify this exponential term. So guys, sin theta will remain as it is. Here e to the power minus x is 1 upon e to the power x. So that will give us e to the power 2x plus 1 upon e to the power x. So here I did the LCM, and now this e to the power x will go in the numerator, and that will give us 2 into e to the power x upon e to the power 2x plus 1. Now guys, here we'll do the cross multiplication. So by doing it, we can form the quadratic equation. So here we'll get e to the power 2x into sin theta. 1 into sin theta is plus sin theta equal to 2 e to the power x. Now we'll take this 2 e to the power x on the LHS, and that will become negative. So we'll get So now we will compare this equation with the quadratic equation, and by comparing, here we can say that this is a quadratic equation in e to the power x. So here we can say that the sin theta is a, this minus 2 is b, and the sin theta is c. Now we'll find out the roots of quadratic equation. So here we'll write e to the power x equal to minus b, so that will be positive 2, plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. So square of minus 2 is 4 minus 4ac. So 4 into sin theta, so that is sin square theta, so that will be 4 sin square theta. upon 2a, so that is 2 sine of theta. Now guys, let's simplify this. So I can take 4 common from the root, and if we take it common and we take the root, that is 2. So root of 4 is 2. So 2 and 2 common, that will be cancelled with this 2. So we will get 1 here, plus or minus under root 1 minus sine square theta upon sine theta. So here you can see that I have cancelled all 2. Now, what is value of 1 minus sine square theta? So it is cos square theta. So root of cos square theta is cos theta. So it is 1 plus or minus cos theta upon sine theta. Now guys, this is the value of e to the power x. Now, to move ahead, we can't take both the values. So we have to prove that the value of x is log of cot of theta upon 2. Now to get that value, here I will consider the positive term. It means I will just consider the 1 plus cos theta in the numerator upon sine theta. So here we'll say e to the power x is 1 plus cos theta upon sine theta. So I'm making that decision based on what is required. Now the formula for 1 plus cos theta we all know, it is 2 cos square theta upon 2. Sine theta can be 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Now we can cancel this 2 and we can cancel one cos term. So by doing that, here we got cos theta by 2 upon sine theta by 2, which is cot theta by 2. Now guys, here if we take log on both sides, so here we'll just get x, and on the right hand side we'll get log of cot of theta by 2. So here we got the value of x as log of cot of theta by 2. Now I will put this value in the assumption. So here we have assumed that hyperbolic sec inverse of sine theta is x. So value of x that we got, I'll put it over here. So that value is log of cot of theta by 2. And now guys, you can see that here we got the desired result. So I'm sure you understood how I got the result. So you have to do 2 things. One, share this video with your friends because they can also get the explanation of this numerical, because I found many students who don't know the explanation about the solution of this question. And the second thing is subscribe to our channel, because if you'll subscribe, then only you'll be able to get the latest updates and more videos on engineering mathematics. Thank you very much.